Okay guys, going to go to the Traders Clinic and ask Scruff. Now this one's for Bill, our little Yoda. Little salute to you, kid. Not sure how you got into the group. We keep trying to kick you out, but you keep coming back. Naughty little boy that you are. How we doing, little fella? How we doing? Right. Firstly, great meeting. Yeah. I do like the lives that we do. They are quite good. But you're confused about the difference between the CFD and a spread bet. You've opened the IG account that says CFD at the top. I want to eventually gravitate to a live account. My question, does it matter that it's CFD? And if so, how do I turn it into spread bet? Okay. Right. Spread betting is if you're based in the UK. So memory serves me right, you're sort of over in Australia, which will be why it's CFD. Now, the difference between the CFD and a spread bet account is not a lot. The actual chart process, the way you would execute a trade, etc., is identical. The difference is mainly the tax implications. CFD is a taxable asset, but on the plus side, you can write off your losses against your tax bill as well as pay tax on your gains, okay? If you spread bet and you're living in the UK, you can have that tax free because it comes under a gambling banner. But there is a grey area with it, because if you're spread betting and it's your sole income, in other words, you pay your mortgage and your food bills, the HMRC are going to ask questions and they will want that pound of flesh, because then they will class you as a contractor and you will pay tax on that as well. So it's a wonderful tax efficient way, but it is a grey area. But the difference between them is the tax implications rather than sort of how you would execute a trade or anything like that. All of that part of it is identical. I hope that helps. Catch you soon.